I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a card from your Santander account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Santander app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, find the section labeled Card Management or Manage Cards in the main menu. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the Card Management section, you will see a list of your cards. Click on the card you wish to remove. Step 4. Choose the Remove option. Look for an option that says Remove Card or Delete Card and click on it. Confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After removing the card, you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to verify that the card is no longer listed in your account. Sometimes, the app may take a moment to update, so if you still see the card listed, give it a minute and refresh the page. I hope this helps you manage your Santander account more easily.